Or yeah, don't use
Uh,
plastic bag. Okay.
yes, we can to recycle.
Recycle,
Yeah,
similar.
yes,
All right, cool.
and
Yeah,
yeah we clear our city, our country.
cleaning campaign.
We
Yes.
yeah we can make cup chats on the trees, on streets,
Can
on the bark.
nice.
I
Good
think
idea.
so.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Nice ideas. All right. Anyway, I think it's quite enough for the discussion, everyone. Because yeah, let's talk about the objectives now. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to recognize some vocabulary about plastic trash. Secondly, you will be able to use the structure be going to talk about future plans and future intentions. And lastly, you identify and understand information in the text about important changes. All right. Let's get started. Okay, first we start with a small game for you to review the vocab. Okay. I want you to look at the group of letters given, and then you make the correct word. All right. So we have N, B, and A. What do you think the word is? It is, yeah, ban, right? B-A-N. The correct spelling is B-A-N, and it's ban. All right. So when you ban something, you cannot use, right? When something is banned, it means you cannot use it. You cannot do it. Cool. Now I split you into two teams so that we can play a game. I want Miss Lay and Miss Pa and Mr. Love. So you will be team one, all right, and then Miss Lang and Mr. Fact, you guys will be team two. So you need to turn on your microphone, okay, and tell me the correct answer as fast as you can. All right. Don't need to wait. Just turn on your microphone and yell out the answer. Okay. So let's go. Number one, what is that?
Problem.
Yeah, problem, right? So prop and then block problem. Cool. Other from team two first, from Miss Lion, Mr. Fact. So let's give team two 1 point for that problem. And the problem we're talking about today is trash, plastic trash, right? Number two,
Make a
Make a change.
change.
Make a
again,
change.
yeah, it is make a change, right? And it had it from Miss Fire, Miss Yim, right? Whoever from team one. So it is make a change. It's a whole phrase. So when you want to change, when you want to do something, make a change. All right. Okay, number three.
Fine.
Hi.
It is fine. Oh, very nice, Mr. Fact. Your first one. So fine, right? When you do something wrong, you have to pay some money for that. All right. You got fine for that. Okay, we have one more. What is this?
Plastic.
Practice.
Plastic. How can you not know it, right? The topic of lesson today, plastic. And one more time is from Mr. Fact of Team 2, I think.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, last one.
Recycle.
Oh,
It is recycle. Oh, this time I heard that from everyone. Okay. Same time. So I give that for a point for positive anyway. Recycle. Correct. So I think team two did a bit better than team one. You scored 4 compared to 2 of team one, and you're the winner of the game. Congratulations, team two. All right, thank you very much, everyone, for joining the game. And it's time to look at the pronunciation of the vocabulary again. So first, I want you to listen. I would like you to listen to the word, okay, to my pronunciation, and then you can say it later. So first, please listen to the word. Problem, plastic, ban, fine, pay a fine, recycle, make a change. All right. One more time, everyone. Please listen to the words. Problem, plastic, ban, fine, pay a fine, recycle, make a change. All right. Yeah, let's check your pronunciation now. So I would like one of you to say free vocabulary, okay, items. Miss Yim, can you have me say 1 and 2 and 3, please?
Problem. The problem of plastic ban.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Miss Hua, can you continue with 4, 5, and 6, please?
5. Recycle. Make a change.
There you go. All right, thank you very much. Next, Mr. Locke, can you help me say 1, 3, and 5, please?
Problem. Bad. Recycle.
Cool. All right, thanks. And Miss Lang, can you say 2, 4, and 6, please? Miss Lang? Huh? Oh, maybe she's a bit busy. So, Mr. Frank, can you say 2, 4, and 6, please, Mr. Frank?
Plastic. Fine. Make a change.
Oh, well done. All right. Thank you very much, everyone, for the pronunciation check. Okay, so we finished with the vocabulary. All right, 6 vocabulary items, and you know most of them, right? Okay, let's continue with our grammar review section. A small exercise for all of you guys. You complete the sentence with the structure be going to, like this. You're given a verb, make, and how do you make it a correct sentence? Mr. Fat, can you help me with sentence 0, please?
Our country is make a change in using plastic bottles.
Is correct, but the whole structure is be going to. So be with the form of is, right? So how about going to?
Our country is going to make a change in using plastic bottles.
Yeah, is going to make, right? It's same with will because it's a future plan, something you will do in the future, right? Is going to make. So you will have a chance to work on 6 more sentences using the structure be going to. All right. So just do the same. You use be in the correct form. It can be am, it can be is, it can be are with the word not. I am not, is not, are not, for example. Let's go. You will have 2 minutes to finish the 6 sentences, then we will check the answers together. Let's go. Finished, everyone.
Not yet.
Okay, let's see. No answer submitted yet. Okay, quite tough, right? Okay, no worries if you cannot finish all 6 sentences. I believe you've finished some of them, all right? Most of them, I think. So let's go through from number 1 to number 6. You have me say the sentence with the answers, okay? Miss Yim, can you
Yes.
start with number 1, please?
Number 1.
Yep.
Number 1. I am not going to use plastic.
There we go. Cool. Correct answer. Thank you. I'm not going to use, right? Miss Hua, number 2, please.
Many countries are going to solve the problem of plastics?
Are, right? Because plural now. Many countries are going to solve. Thank you. Mr. Love, please do number 3.
They are not going to drink from plastic cups.
They are not going to drink. They are, right? Yeah. Thank you. Miss Lloyd, number 4, please. Excellent sensor. Yeah, it's a great idea, right? What if we ban plastic? Ban people from using plastic. Cool. And lastly, Mr. Fat, can you do number 5, please?
Daniel is not going to pay the fine. He followed the rules.
Yeah, he's not because he followed the rules, right? All right, when you follow the rules all the time, you don't need to pay any fine. We don't do something wrong, we don't pay fine. Okay. And number 6, the correct answer is I'm going to recycle my plastic thing. Okay. So some ideas for us. Okay, cool. Let's talk about the grammar again. How do we use be going to talk about the future? What do you plan to do in the future? Okay. So future plans or future intentions. That's what we use the structure be going to for. What do you plan to do? What do you intend to do in the future? Is compliance or intention. And easy, right? Subject, be, and then going to, and verb infinitive. So I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, she is going to, things like that. And don't forget to use verb infinitive afterward. So, for example, I'm going to recycle these bottles, or she's not going to drink in plastic cups. Okay, easy, right? So I want you to look at this picture now and make a sentence. Try to make a sentence for that. Miss Yim, what do you think?
People. What you ask? Sorry.
So you look at the picture and you try to think of a sentence. So people are going to or people are not going to do something.
People are not
Going to.
going to. People are not going to bus. Go into test.
You need to think of a
Just.
verb.
Yeah.
Oh.
Verb.
Yeah, people are not going to what?
Yeah. Bus. Big stress.
Oh, pick up. Yeah, all right. So it is.
Yeah.
Then it should be are
Yeah.
going to, right? Are going to
People
pick up
are
trash.
going to big stress.
Nice. That's a good way
Yeah.
to protect the environment, to clean the environment. Yeah. Okay, thank you. How about are going to pick up trash? That's a good way. How about this? Miss Hua, what do you think about this picture? What do people do? What are people going to do?
We are going to we are not going to use plastics.
Yeah, maybe we're not going to use plastic. Yeah, thanks for that. All right, thank you for the ideas and thank you for reviewing the vocab and the grammar, everyone. So now we are continuing with the main task of the lesson today, reading skill. So look at these pictures. It's the problems caused by plastic, right? So you can see plastic everywhere and it heavily affected nature, the natural world. So animals may encounter plastic, they may eat plastic or something. Fish can get stuck in plastic and they die for that. They cannot swim, cannot breathe, and like other smaller fish or some living creatures, any animals that live on land, on Earth, right? So these are problems in the country named Kenya, and we are going to read about the solutions. What is Kenya going to do? So first, I will give you some minutes to think about this. What do you think Kenya is going to do to solve the trash problems, the plastic problems? Mr. Love, any ideas for this? What do you think this country is going to do?
I think Kenya is going to reduce pollution.
Reduce the effects of pollution, right? And first, they need to reduce something that causes pollution, right? Like they reduce the use of plastic, right? They reduce the production of
Yeah,
plastic
reduce
or something.
plastic.
Okay, reduce something. Good. Let's listen from one more. Mr. Fact, what do you think, Mr. Fact?
I think they need to make a change with education.
Yeah, change the way they educate people, right? All right, educate people to do good things, right? To not break the rules, to not violate the rules. Okay, and first, then they need to set some rules, right? And then later on, they educate people to follow these rules. Okay, I think. So some general ideas we can think of, right? Now let's go into the reading and you will see what this country is going to do. So the first part of the reading and your task is to read and answer the question with one word answer. Okay, so you pick one word from the text and you fill in the blank. All right. Now, very quickly, 3 steps to do this kind of exercise. Step number 1, read the question and highlight on the keywords. So the keywords here, plastic trash and many countries, right? When you have the keywords, it comes to step number 2. We scan the text and we look for the keywords. Where do you see the keywords? Here they are, right? Many countries here and plastic trash here. Then, step number 3, you will read the sentence with the keywords again and you choose one word to fill the blank. So, many countries trying to do something about the problem of plastic trash. So, we can pick the word problem. Do you think so? Yeah. So, plastic trash is a problem in many countries. All right, step 1, read the question, highlight the keywords. Step 2, scan the text and try to locate the keywords where the keywords are in the text. Step number 3, read that sentence again and choose the answer. I'll let you try with sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 here. Miss Hua, can you tell me the keywords? Miss Hua?
Keyword is Kenya ban single plastic bags.
Yeah, ban and single-use plastic bags. Cool. Thank you very much, Miss Hua. Miss Lang, can you tell me the sentence that you see the keywords? What line you see the keywords? Well, like 1, like 2, like 3, like 4, like 5.
In
Yeah, here it is, right? Okay, so now can you help me read the sentence and you choose the answer, please? Okay. So in, where, what word do you think is the answer for this?
No.
In, sorry, can you say that again? You need to pick one word, right? And in, you see the word in, right? I will show it here. In is here. And we need a year, right? We need a point of time. In what year did the country? There we go. So Kenya banned single-use plastic bag in this year, 2017, right? All right, that's wonderful. Let's come to the next part of the reading. 3 more paragraphs, and this time we do some more questions. Okay. Miss Yim Lei, can you do question number 1, please?
The keyword before the pen.
Mm-hmm.
No, people use.
Yep.
People use. Yes, people use plastic bag. Market.
And markets, right? All right.
Yeah, markets.
Now you look for the sentence.
For
We look for the word plastic bags and markets. People use stuff like that. Where do you see them?
B for the pen.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Here it is, right? Before the ban, you can see that, right? Before the
Before the
ban.
pen, people use much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There we go. Thank you. Thank you for your help, Miss Line. All right. So we're looking for that word 100 million, right? So 100 million is the correct answer, but we cannot write a free word. So that's why we need to write a number, because it requires you to write only one word or one number only. So let's write a number instead. Okay. It's tricky a bit. All right. Thank you. That's question one. How about question two? Mr. Locke, can you help me do question two, please?
Skyward are people rule.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where we see it.
Most people follow the rule.
There we go. All right. So the correct
Yeah.
answer is
Follow.
follow. All right. Easy, easy. Lastly, number three. Miss Clara, please.
Keywords. Uh, can the own plastic bags.
Yes. Yes. So what are they going to do with something?
Turn into pen. Okay.
Where do you see it?
They go into
They going to.
Going
That's the
to
correct answer.
bands.
Bad.
Okay,
There we go.
Keza is going to ban on plastic bags.
Yeah. No one can use plastic anymore. So no. All right. They bad. Cool. So you know how to do it, right? Answer this part, but now three more questions, and you have 2 minutes to finish that. After that, we check the answer. Let's go. Let's read more detail and finish three questions.
just auto first.
Some of you have finished, right? You have finished with a lot finished. Okay, it's very nice. All right, and 2 minutes is also over. All right, so let's tell me your answer. Mr. Fact, what is your answer for number one, please? Hello, Mr. Pat. You
Uh,
can...
Now there is less plastic bags, single-use bags in Kenya.
Yeah. Okay, that's the word. Single-use plastic trash, right? Plastic trash. Plastic trash. So now there's less plastic trash in Kenya. Thank you for the answer. Mr. Lang, can you do number 2, please? Yeah, we're talking about fine. How much money people need to pay the fine, right? 500. That's correct, 500. And number 3, Miss Lay, please. Miss Kim Lay.
Yeah, yes. People in Karen are going to recycle more plastics in the future.
Yeah, they're going to recycle. Hopefully they can, right? Recycle more plastic in the future. That's correct. All right, thank you very much, everyone, for finishing the main task of the lesson. Now we are doing a follow-up task in which you will share with the class your plan, your ideas, how you solve the plastic problems. Okay. Some ideas we talk about in this lesson, like I am going to pick up plastic trash, I'm going to recycle my plastic things, I'm not going to use plastic bags, I'm not going to drink in plastic bottles anymore. Okay. So your task is to think of 3 ideas, 3 plans of yours that you are going to do in the future. All right. And then we share your 3 ideas with the class. All right. Think of 3 things you are or are not going to do and then share with the class. You have 1.5 minutes for preparation. Let's go. Are you ready? Then you
Yeah.
have 3 creative, innovative stuff, ideas to share with the class. Okay. Yeah, let's go now, everyone. Each of you need to tell me and the class 3 ideas of yours. Right? Let's start with Mr. Locke. What are you going to and not going to do, Mr. Locke?
Yeah. I am not going to use single use plastic.
Yeah, single-use plastic bag. Yeah,
Yeah.
plastic something. Okay, next.
I am going to plastic. I am going to pick up plastic trash.
Mm-hmm. And then send them to the recycling factory, right? Recycle them, not throwing them away anymore. Yeah, one more idea, please.
I am going to pick up trash.
Pick up trust. Yeah, yeah. And the last idea, please. What is your last idea? I think we need one more, right? You just tell me not going to use single-use plastic. That's number 1, and pick up trash. That's number 2. What else? Anything else? Share.
To
Nope. All right, cool. You can tell us later. All right, I give you some minutes to think. Thank you for sharing. Miss Clark, please.
Mm, I am I am I am going to use paper bags
Paperback.
and I am not going to drink in a plastic bottle.
Not use, not bring yet. Okay, not use plastic bottles
Use
anymore.
drink
Yeah.
drink.
Oh, drink in water bottles. Yeah. Okay. What else? That's it. Only 2 ideas. Okay, that's quite good. All right. No bag. Sorry, no plastic bags. Instead, you use paper bags and no plastic bottles. Okay. Cool. Thank you very much. Right. Next, Mr. Fact, please.
Uh, I I'm going to use aluminum bottle to
Okay.
bring water
Mm-hmm.
when I hang outside. When I hang out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Metal or yeah, aluminum in specific. Yeah, metal bottles. Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah. And when I buy something in the market, I will I will use I will take a canvas bag.
All right. Cloth. Cloth. We said cloth bag. All
Yeah.
right. Nice. Paper bag. Cloth bag. Yes.
Yes. And I will throw the trash or the garbage in the right place.
In the correct place. All right. Do not litter, right? Put the trash in the trash can, right? Good job. Thank you very much for the ideas. 2 more people to go. Miss Lang, please. Mm-hmm. It's same with single use, right? Bringing single use plastic bottles, right? Okay, cool. Very realistic ideas. Thank you. Last person, Miss Yim Lei, please.
Uh, I'm going to use paper bags when I go shopping.
Paper bag, right?
Uh, I'm going to cycle to work. It helps with pollution.
Cycle to work.
Cycle
Yeah.
to cycle. Yes. I'm not going to drink from plastic
Okay. No
cups.
plastic cups, right? We
Yes.
can use metal bottles, right? Personal metal bottles, things like that.
Yes.
Okay. But
I'm
why
not
do we need to
go.
use? Yes, yes, please. Go.
I'm not going to buy products in bottle.
Okay, okay. No plastic.
Yes.
No
Yes.
plastic containers, right? Okay. Cool. Anyway,
Uh,
why do you want to cycle to work?
it helps with air
Oh,
pollution.
yeah,
Pollution.
it can reduce the air pollution, but it has
Yeah.
nothing to do with plastic, I think. But it's a good way to
Uh,
protect the environment and
yes.
improve your health. Anyway, okay. Thank you for the ideas. Thank you, everyone, for raising excellent ideas today. So I hope that after this lesson, you can Google for some more ideas to reduce the plastic trash to deal with the plastic solution in situation, right? Okay, cool. That's very nice, very impressive idea. So let's wrap up the lesson. What can we do about the problem of plastic trash? You share with me some excellent ideas, right? By using I am going to and I am not going to. That's the two structures we learned today, right? I'm going to, I'm not going to. Okay, cool. So pick up trash, recycle plastic bottles, or not using plastic trash or not going to drink in plastic cups. Very practical ideas today. Cool. All right, let me ask you something before we finish this lesson today. Now, can you recognize vocabulary about plastic trash? Is that a yes?
Yes.
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 Yeah, that's great, right? A very big problem, and yeah, you learn some more about that. Can you use the structure be going to talk about future plans and future intentions?
Yes.
There
Yes.
we go. Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you understand specific information in a text about important changes?
Mm,
We
yeah.
read a text about Kenya, right? The problem in that country, and what is that country going to do to solve the problem, right? Anyway, cool. Thank you for answering yes. So once again, thank you for coming here for the lesson today. Do you have any more questions before we stop, everyone?
No, teacher.
No.
No questions?
No. Thank you.
No? Okay, cool. If you don't have any questions, yeah, let's say goodbye, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye
Goodbye,
bye.
teacher, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.
Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Bye.